I totally understand the argument of, but skateboarding is a workout in itself. That is my workout for the week. Okay, I mean, we're adults, we have responsibilities. If you only have a small amount of time per week to do some sort of exercise and you choose skateboarding, awesome, that's fine and well. What I'm saying is, I guarantee we can do better. Whenever I have clients that aren't currently resistance training, we're usually always able to find small little spurts of time available throughout the day or throughout the week where they can get a little bit of training in. It doesn't have to take a lot of time. So let's get into these 3 reasons why it seems like adult skateboarders in particular really benefit from some kind of resistance training program built into their routine. When we talk about resistance training, we're talking about movements that help you build muscle, maintain muscle, or build strength. And so the most straightforward example of that would be lifting weights, or the weightlifting machines that you see at the gym, or calisthenics. In my opinion, those are the 3 main avenues that are really good to stick to. And by calisthenics, I mean push-ups, body weight squats, lunges, dips, pull-ups, things like that. The first reason that it seems like resistance training is really good for adult skateboarders is that we need to protect our shitty joints, right? As we get older, any athlete as they get older really is gonna have joint issues. It just kind of comes along with the territory. And building muscle and strength means building muscle and strength around the joints. We're going to lose cartilage, we're going to see deterioration in joints, and there are interventions you can do to help with joint issues. I mean, you can get surgeries and things like that, but it makes a lot of sense to make the environment around the joints as strong and as cushioned as possible. You can make sure that you're maintaining an appropriate body weight, that you're eating right, that you're sleeping. That will help. I mean, that's really going to help move the needle. But building strength and muscle around those joints, that really seems like one of the best things you could possibly do for longevity in any activity or sport. Second reason to implement some sort of resistance training is age-related muscle loss. This is something that's going to happen to all of us as we get older. We get older, we lose muscle. It's just what happens, and you can slow it down by doing some form of resistance training. Someone who is not working out, someone who's not doing resistance training, they're going to be losing muscle faster as they age than someone who is not. Generally speaking, it's going to be easier for some people to carry more muscle than others, but at least delaying that age-related muscle loss is really important to do. You're going to be a healthier human being that's more resilient to injury. And my last point goes beyond skateboarding. It has to do with what keeping more muscle on your body actually does to your metabolic health and your chances of living longer. When you carry more of this lean mass, your body has a better ability to maintain your body weight, and it has an ability to maintain blood sugars. So over half the country is either pre-diabetic or type 2 diabetic. And not only is that an issue in itself, but uncontrolled blood sugars are a major risk factor for heart disease. And many health professionals aren't even aware of this, but when you eat a meal and your blood sugar starts to rise after that meal, the first place that glucose or blood sugar wants to go is your muscle. And so if you have more developed muscle on your frame, then you literally have a larger glucose disposal system. So it's getting pushed out of your bloodstream and into your muscles for storage to be used for energy the next time that you skate or the next time that you do a resistance training workout. This is partly why you see an increased risk of diabetes and uncontrolled blood sugar in general as people get older. It isn't even just about giving you more years on your skateboard. It's about living a longer, healthier life and having more quality years that you're able to do shit, and less quality years when you're dependent on a medication or the hospital or someone else needing to do things for you. I'm always interested to hear what other skateboarders are doing, especially ones in their 30s and 40s, but even ones that are younger and that are already training, I think that's awesome. So if you have something that you do to try to keep yourself in shape when you're off the skateboard, then leave it in the comments, or your thoughts. If you think this is all complete bullshit and you'd rather just skate, or you think I'm wrong about something, let me know in the comments too. But thanks for watching, and take care.